Yes, Bafetu, it's Ntatemloi here on Student TV. We are out and about and still at the Vodacom Durban July. Hashtag VDJ 2018. I'm with Tamselegu Zibafetu. Nyazige Nani. Nyababuga Labantu. You'll admire them. We will learn a few things about them. Swabuzut Baobani, Bakogiso Bani, and why the things about Kogil Bafetu. Remember, the theme for this year is It's My Time. Asbuzeni Bafetu by introduce. Yes, Swami Tatalu introduce Guma Fenzi, Nabanta Babuga, go student in Wonki, South Africa.
Sanbanani Kamalame Gunokanya Wagamselegu Umayeni, second wife Gamselegu, Giko Giswe Aquago design Ugunoma Wagakaba, our local designer Pochepstini, Gitisai Tilenjogu Sankubege Nabanteng Chleze, Bengenzela izinto uyena yedwa vele. So uyena ongidecidele ukuthi ene yini engizoyiqoka. Uyena owenza yonke into. So mina ngeke ngifike nje sekuthiwa woza seku-ready.
Yes, Bafetu, the next lady is just going to introduce herself. Asho ukuthi obani Bafetu.
Hello, Busisiwe Mselegu, first wife of Musa Mselegu, Mamkhulu. I'm dressed by Jones Edward. This is my time, this is my moment, this is my...
Yebo Bafetu, awengafuna ukukhuluma kodwa she speaks so well. Yes, bosisi ngalana on my other side. Ngiyazi ukuthi akufanele ngabe mina engimela. Ngiyoze ngishawe ngizosheshe ngihambe. Ngishawe.
No, ngiyakushawe siyakunika i-chance for today only.
Oh, for only today Bafetu. Sicela introduce siswami the green.
Okay. My name is Umbali Mangwabe Mselegu, the fourth wife of Musa Mselegu. I'm dressed by Dion Zeda. It's Pochepston. My hair done by Bushle and face beds by Tabsile Makatini.
Wena siswami.
Sanbanani Kamlame Umutobile Umakhumalo Wakamselegu. Ngigqokiswe style Dolce and a touch of Toes designs, and makeup yami yenziwe uThabile's touch, and my hair was done by Mabi Ubushe in Durban.
Wait a minute, ngizwa sengathi all you ladies, you are dressed by a different designer, any makeup is by a different designer. Shuthi angazi kahle, shuthi ade prepare for the Vodacom Durban July, kuthathwa imoto omunye wayale. Who paid for all of this, ladies? Hey, Matota, the king paid for everything, Bafetu. If you're going to have a polygamous marriage, uyimela yonke lento. Sibonga kakhulu to these beautiful ladies, very beautiful ladies, Bafetu. Nizwile ukuthi bagqoke kabani, Bafetu. Remember, the theme is My Time. Sengizobiza uBaba Umseleko, the man of the moment, the king of the castle. Uye Bafetu, angimlethe eduze sizombuza uncane, especially about the book that is just written, Bafetu. Sibuza Mr. Mseleko. Mr. Mseleko, baba siyazi ukuthi ulonche ibhuku. It's unfortunate ukuthi sazama ukuza khona ukuthi sasibhizi. Awusitshele ngebhuku baba.
Sanbonani, I'm so excited to be here, but everything comes from a passion that we have as the Mselegus. Basically, the Life and Polygamy is our book, which has made Uthando Nestem become what it is today. Life and Polygamy, I would say, is a roadmap, is a manual for any man or for any woman who aspire to be in this kind of a lifestyle. Get it for yourself. You will know more than you think. In fact, it will also protect both women and children from abuse. It will also empower men how to do it, so that we don't make mistakes on our way of doing this thing.
Sibonge kakhulu baba. Manje baba, I'm sure people who are watching out there bazofuna mhlawumbe uku-invite ukhulume nabo. Singakuthola kanjani kuma social networks or nje i-contact yakho singakuthola kanjani sikubize na uzosilula usitshela ukuthi senze njani siyintsha?
They must just go and Google Umdlalo Lodge, and then they will find my number there, or they must write emails to me on thanksma.co.za.
Sibonge kakhulu bafethu. As you can see, Amutamselegus, the wives are vivacious, they are vivacious. Bahle bafethu bagqoke kahle. Sibonge nama designer abo. Sibonge noba kumselegu sesiyahamba sesithi gede. It's nice to be here. Student TV, say Afro manje.
Hello guys and welcome to Khabal the Tea, the only channel where we sip a lot of tea without judgment. Okay, we are back again with another Keeping Up with Mselegu video, and the video right now was taken 6 years ago at the Durban July, and it was so awkward to watch because tell me why the body language Mayeni and Umakila is so off. Definitely something was happening here. The tension ungayike bulango bushu between them. Even Ubuso Mselegu is telling us that definitely something went on before the camera started rolling. And the other two which is Khumalo Nomangwabe, they're just a bit off and confused as to what had just happened. But because they are a family who are always in front of the camera, I guess the ball has to keep rolling. But there was some sort of a fight here, there was some sort of a quarrel before they said, action, we are interviewing you guys, because it's a bit off. I think lento yabo yokubanga this position yokuba umamkhulu, we should have seen it so many years ago, because why is this video like alarming ukuba babebanga lokho nje here? Or rather, Umakele befuna ukuma eduze kwa Musa, and then I guess in like a chronological order, then they will stand. So kube uMusa, kube uMakele, kube uMayeni, kube uMakhumalo, masekugcina uMangwabe. But I guess that doesn't matter because we know which wife came first and which wife is the last. Because why is that a big issue? But body language Yamayeni, it's giving main character girl, it's giving ngikona, and there's nothing you can do. And ngimile njela, so deal with it. Valley, I was supposed to be the first wife to even begin with. It's giving bully vibes. So Mayeni, some kolumela the previous seasons is therapy and all of that, but I'm starting to see her in a different light. Let me know what you think about this in the comment section. Is it giving what I think it's giving, or I'm just overthinking it? And now, what does the video make you feel? Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. We are back and we're trying to post a video each and every day, and I hope I be consistent for you guys so that this channel grows and reach 3K by the beginning of February. That's what I want. So share this video, share the link to my channel to your people, so more people will know and subscribe to our channel, and let's grow. Happy 2026. I wish you nothing but a prosperous and a wonderful new year. Goodbye. I will see you on the next video tomorrow. Okay.